Thank you for your interest in how White Plume and SRS work together to protect physician productivity, deliver outstanding revenue cycle outcomes, and make the transition to MIPS easy for physician practices. White Plume and SRS have been working together since 2006 to deliver a tight partnership and integrate our solutions to make this an easy process for our clients. We work with over 44 mutual clients and nearly 1,400 physicians. Let me give you just a very brief overview of what that looks like for some of our clients. Capture is a customized electronic superbill. We try to make that as easy as possible for your clinical team so that they can capture the right data as quickly as possible. Once data is captured, it's passed downstream to billing employees and revenue cycle employees through a process called Smart to help prevent denials, capture mischarges, and make sure that claims are paid completely and correctly the very first time, and automate the data entry process into your practice management system. Capture will also send the data in real time to SRS, so you're not entering diagnosis and visit type information multiple times. Now, the last piece of the puzzle is as MIPS becomes a larger piece of what physician practices have to do, we can also send the quality data to the MIPS registry to make sure that that is easy for both your clinical staff and your administrative staff. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to start here in SRS on the patient dashboard, and we use a power tab. That prevents the user from having to log into multiple applications or toggle back and forth, and it pulls up Capture with the patient context for me. My intake staff has already captured some information with the body mass index for this particular patient, so I'm going to go ahead and add in primary osteoarthritis of the knee, what I'm treating the patient for today, toggle to a different tab, and I've got all of my CPT codes here to make that easy for me to say I've got a level 3 office visit. We also, from a quality measure standpoint, are participating with MIPS for Measure 109, so I did assess the functional status for the osteoarthritis symptoms. We've also documented the BMI as normal. That makes that process very easy for me to click, 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 and capture the right data. When I click complete, it's going to do three things. It's going to save all of the data. It's going to close the encounter form and bring me back into SRS. So what you'll see when I refresh my screen in SRS is that data is pulling into SRS for me automatically. Now, what we're trying to do here is help SRS clients protect physician productivity, deliver outstanding revenue cycle outcomes, and successfully transition to MIPS. I hope this gives you a little bit of an idea of how we work with these clients. If you've got any questions, we'd love to talk to you in more detail. Thanks, and have a great day.